So guys, the Ekraft Geeks are back with a new video. Soil moisture sensor interface with Arduino UNO digital mode. List of components required: Arduino UNO USB cable, soil sensor with module, jumper wires and LED. In case of digital module has a comparator LM239 which is used to compare the input signals with the threshold level and provides the digital output, and a potentiometer is connected to set the threshold level. The digital pin will give us 5 volts and the LED on the sensor will light up, and when the sensor value will be less than the threshold value, then the digital pin will give us 0 volts and the LED will go down. So here we go with the connection of soil sensor with Arduino UNO. So guys, we'll head on to the connection part. These are the two conducting plates, also called as probe, which has two pins. One is positive and one is negative, which will get connected to the module. Then this is a soil sensor module. This blue part which you can see over here is a potentiometer which is used to set the threshold value. This IC is LM239 comparator. Here you can see LED light which basically tells that whether your soil sensor is connected properly or if it's not connected. Here there are some voltage regulators. This module has 4 pins. The first one is the VCC, the second one is the ground, the third one is for the digital connection, and the fourth one is for analog connection. So basically it tells that it can get connected in both the ways, analog as well as digital. So this time we are gonna connect it in digital mode. So the first pin I'm gonna connect is VCC, which will be connected over here, plus 5 volts of Arduino. The second one will be the ground pin, which I'll be connecting over here. Just below that there are 2 ground pins, or you can just connect it over here also. There's one ground pin over here, and the third pin will be using, as we are connecting in digital mode, so we'll be using this third pin, and we won't be using the fourth pin as the fourth pin is for the analog. This is our LED, so we are gonna connect it to pin number 13, and we are gonna take that other pin to the ground just above that, and this digital pin will be connecting to pin number 12. Yeah, so our connection is done properly. We have connected the LED module. So guys, here we go with the coding part. We have already written the code where first we have initialized the LED pin to pin number 13. The second initialization pin is for the sensor pin, which is at pin number 12. The void setup basically tells that the sensor pin is our input and the LED pin is our output. In the void loop, we have written an if-else statement which tells that the sensor pin is equal to high, then the LED pin will be high, or else the LED pin will be low. The basic logic regarding the void loop, it tells that if the output value of the sensor will be higher than the threshold value, then the digital pin will be high and the LED will light up. If the sensor value will be lower than the threshold value, then the LED pin will glow down. So here we go with the upload thing. And you all can see it's uploaded to our board. So let's check out. So now we are gonna see for the output. As you all can see on the sensor, only one LED is glowing and the mud is wet. So we'll put inside the mud and you can see one more LED is glowing. See the difference. So basically the logic is behind this is that the digital pin will give us 5 volts and the LED on the sensor will light up, and when the sensor value will be less than the threshold value, then the digital pin will give us 0 volt and the LED will go down. So I am removing and the LED is not coming on the sensor, but when I am putting, the LED is coming. So basically our project is working successfully and we are getting the output also. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more interesting videos.